Well, we're here on 1928 Classic Yacht Euphemia 2, revisiting the electric trolling motor that I used for a little while on the stern of this boat as a stern thruster. And I was just doing some maintenance on it, moving it up. And yeah, I got the remote control here. I'm just going to engage the power on this guy. And on the remote control, I can I have to turn the power on. It's wireless. I believe the power's on right now. And then I've got just forward and reverse. That's all I really need for a thruster. Don't need speed. And so you can see, well, first of all, you can hear the relay going in. The wireless receiver is getting it. And then you can see the motor spinning. One direction, and then the other direction. So this isn't Bluetooth, this is wireless, so I can go further than the 30 some odd feet, which is important because if I'm in the wheelhouse, I'm at least 30 feet away from the back of the boat. So, so with this I can stand right up the bow if I want to and kick the stern around using this guy. Now, I haven't really need to use it for a while because I've just gotten used to the boat and it's prop walk and all that kind of stuff, and I just haven't had to deal with any tricky situations, but I think it's worth putting back on the boat and having it in case I go into a marina that's tight, in a wind or a breeze or whatever. It could come in handy. It actually will move you slowly. Basically it's enough to counter prop walk and not much else, but that helps out a lot. So I think it's a 150-pound thrust, if I can't remember. It's one of the larger ones, so I think it's a 150-pound thrust. And I suppose I could put it on the tender, but I'd only be able to use it full speed forward or full speed back. Which, actually, think about it, would probably be a pretty common scenario. I might just do that next year just for fun, see how it works. In the meantime, I got to look after this motor. The salt water has gotten to the back end of it already. A little bit of a corrosion on the, I guess it's a magnesium, but it works well. I thought it seized up at one point, but it actually just started working fine. So, perfect.